young love. It's like a fire that just can't be tamed. Oh no. Looks like her Mr. Right might be a little too popular. Seems like this girl gets what she wants though, even if she has to take it. What does this beauty box contain? Oh, a toothbrush. And just in time, too. Oh, great googly moogly. Let's add some toothpaste. Always a good idea. And start cleaning. Now say ah. I say this is a little much, but then again, we've seen her teeth. Looks like we're onto a good start here. Well, I wasn't gonna say anything, but these will sure come in handy. Let's just say that she has more than enough reasons to try it out. Oh good, it treats the problem. Cover-up can only do so much. Ew, you're not making candles. You don't need to save up on wax. Let's just hope this device will help clean things up for her. It's not pretty to look at, but it does its job. Please don't smell it.
Ooh.
Looks like we're not done with teeth. Or maybe those acne patches. It looks like this is gonna be a very precise procedure. But in time, you can make your teeth shine like a rainbow. Cool. Ah, blue hair. Well, good idea if she's going for the Marge Simpson look. Maybe you should move it out of your face before cutting. And now she's adding pink to the mix. Who says hair needs to be one color? Honey, those things aren't cherries. She figured it out. Kinda looks like a clown nose, but for your mouth. Still, the important thing is, it works. Let's try some lipstick. Yep, that works too. But do you think she should use another color? Good idea. Stencils sure seem to come in handy for this girl. It's simple enough, but we should probably do something for that middle. Oh no, I think that's a little too many wax strips. She's a bit of a glutton for punishment. A mask. Not a bad idea. Okay, what's next? Oh, that looks pretty, but what's inside? Magnetic piercings work great if you don't like needles. Lovely. But it still looks like you like going back for more piercings. Okay, what's in the box? Some girls don't want to give up their classic eyelash tricks. but considering her track record, maybe she should. Well, here we go with the pencil. Just make sure that you grab the right side. Ah, much easier. Hey, where'd her zits go? Temporary tattoos? Well, if worst comes to worst, she can always change her mind. And once again, no needles. Oh, so many options. Oh, come on, cut out the eye. The eye! Dinosaurs, butterflies, and flowers. Maybe she should settle on a theme? Well, the important thing is that she likes it and has rubbing alcohol ready. Well, appearances start with the way you carry yourself. And it's not like we're asking her to carry books on her head. Wow, it already looks like a huge improvement. Okay, you've tried all the products. Time to test it all out. Wait, what's going on? She's transforming into something better, more exciting! Oh yeah, so far so good, but it's not like the box has an entire new wardrobe. Time to activate wardrobe change. Good idea. Make use of what you already have. And if you happen to have nice pumps and a purse collecting dust. Let's see her put all of this in action. That other girl's probably wondering what happened to her box. This is it, the moment of truth. And in the end, there's no greater weapon than playing hard to get. Transformerific stuff! Catch you next time! Oh man, this Flintstones reboot is looking better and better. In other news, bushes have apparently invented time travel. I knew we shouldn't have taken that left at Narnia. How nice of her to share her beauty products. Remember, only you can fight fashion faux pas. Wow, it's like a little bug that removes hair. And look at that, it works. Good thing too, it's just getting started. An electric brush? Wow, this calls for some heavy-duty makeup. Whoa, it really smooths things out. Though we probably could have used soap and water on that face paint. Talk about rosy cheeks. You never know when the porcelain doll look might come back in style. You know, these things could also make awesome toy caterpillars.
Ew.
Not exactly full eyelashes, but it'll save you a ton on eyeliner. Looks like she changed her mind. Good thing they're magnetic. They just snap right back on.
Wow.
Of course, there is such a thing as going overboard. An ice mold. Well, I'd say she's more of an autumn than a winter. If there's one thing that unites people of all times, it's a love of glitter, even if they have no idea what glitter is. Hey, where'd she get those gummy bears? And soda? Oh, that's one way to add glitter and cool off on a hot day. Another way to cool off, a nice icy treat. Something tells me she likes it. Just don't mix them up. Well, we already know she likes temp tattoos, unless those face markings are real. Kind of impressed she figured out how to use scissors. I wonder if she could get away with it with wearing it as is. Of course, the trick is to add water. And that's a lot of eyebrow.
No.
Looks like we have a winner. Just kiss and bring on that sponge. Too bad it's not a one-size-fits-all sort of deal. The great thing about lipstick is you use as much as you need. Of course, not everyone follows that rule of thumb. Normally, you pay extra for makeup that wipes off so easily. What's she up to? Honestly, I almost can't believe that worked. Wow, this box has everything, even kitchenware. Then again, a nice cucumber mask can really perk things up. Is that salami? Well, at least we'll have a fun snack in the end. Eyelid tape. Well, that's one way to keep your eyes open. Some people just use coffee. Lots of coffee. Look at those eyes. She could have her own anime. And duck lips, too. Wait, uh-oh, I think she's stuck.
Wow.
A washing machine for your makeup? Let's start by adding some soap and water.
Ew.
And it looks like we're using this just in time.
Wow.
Now let's try this makeup sponge. Much better. What else can we try? How much stuff does she have up there? Pop tubes? Oh, great idea. We can spy on upcoming fashion trends. And have some fresh OJ while we're at it. And look at that! Duck lips all over again.
Whoa.
Well, getting your best light is important. But who'd have guessed the choice was between ultraviolet and infrared? Of course, masks are always in style.
Kaya.
Wow, what a transformation! She's even got a new headband. Now to travel back in time and become a trendsetter. Let's hope they don't just eat everything. Well, that was some caveman or woman tacular stuff. Catch you next time. Be careful! Whoops! Oh, maybe there is such a thing as too much glitter.